If you're feeling a clunking in your steering wheel or if it has excessive play, come over here. Let me show you a couple things you could check. Your steering U-joints, make sure they don't have excessive play. That one's okay. What about this other one close to the firewall? Oh, looks like we found our problem. Let me give you a closer look. If your steering U-joint has excessive play like this one, it'll cause clunking in your steering as well as excessive play in your steering wheel. And a very common reason for this failure is a lack of grease. This grease point right here is often missed because it's hard to get to. If not already doing so, make sure you follow me on Instagram as well. I post more often over there.